Hi, I'm Mr. Lamar Porter from Most High God Ministries, and today I would like to share with you something wonderful as it pertains to your health. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ginger shots. I'm doing this little tutorial for a friend of mine so that they can make sure that they're able to do this at home. You're going to need a few things in order to do this. Now, first of all, what are the benefits of taking ginger shots? One of them is to boost your immune system. It also, you reduce inflammation in the body. It improves digestion in the stomach. And it's just good overall for your overall health. So ginger and turmeric shots are good for all of those things. So today I'm going to show you just how we can make those ginger shots. So let's get going. One of the first things we're going to need is the ingredients to make these turmeric and ginger shots, right? So the first thing that we're going to need is a bountiful amount of turmeric. Turmeric is a very good for the system, period. But the body has a problem with breaking it down and digesting it a lot of times. And I'm going to tell you a little tip how to get this turmeric into your system real good. Praise Almighty God. The next thing we're going to need is ginger. That's a funny looking little thing. It looks like a gingerbread man or something, right? So ginger is a strange root. It's almost like a cactus. But ginger has a strong and potent smell to it once you shave it. And this thing is fantastic for the system. Praise Almighty God. We're going to need, I add these for a little sweetness, a little tangerines or some little oranges will help you tremendously. You're going to need some fresh lemons. And last but not least, some black pepper. This is so that the turmeric will break down and digest well into your system, as well as some virgin olive oil, the good kind, in a dark bottle. Praise Almighty God. These two right here help the turmeric absorb into the system so that you can get the benefits of the turmeric. Praise Almighty God. The very next thing we're going to do, that we want to do, is we want to grab a knife and we want to slice our turmeric into really small pieces so that they go into the juicer quite well. Now, a lot of times some juicers don't require that, but I like to make everything go smooth and efficient. So here is the end result of slicing up that turmeric. See that? And I sliced up and I already peeled my ginger. That's right here, up here, right there. And then I also peeled my oranges and my lemons, so we can get these things into that juicer. Praise Almighty God. This is the juicer I will be using. This particular juicer, so it normally extracts quite a bit of juice, more juice than you would normally get any other way. So come on, let's get this thing going. Okay, here we go. We want to cut out our juicer on. Get us a nice handful of turmeric. You can see the waste from the turmeric comes out here and the juice continues to store up right there. You'll see this fill all the way up to a certain point, and then we'll pull this and we'll let our juice out. Okay, you can see we have quite a bit of juice built up here, so we're going to go ahead and let it out. You're going to use far more turmeric. You're going to use far more turmeric than ginger, but you're going to have a small portion of ginger compared to the amount of turmeric you're going to use. Most of your juice is going to be turmeric. And last but not least, you want to make sure you get your oranges in there for sweetness, and your lemons. Also, it helps keep the machine clean as well. Okay, we got all of our contents blended up, and this is the finished product. That's what it looks like. If you can see that. It's in there. See all that juice. So now we have our turmeric, we have our ginger, we have our lemon, we have our oranges. So what's missing? That's right. The thing that allows your body to be able to get this into your system well. We need black pepper. So I normally put a couple of sprinkles in there along with a shot of olive oil. For measurement purposes, so you want to put about a half a teaspoon of black pepper based on the amount that juice you have, and you want to put about a teaspoon of olive oil. And we're going to stir this up, and we're going to get this into our bottles. Grab yourself a spoon. Go ahead and stir that up. Okay. And again, what is the purpose of putting the black pepper or a form of simple fat in there? Is to allow the turmeric to absorb in your system better. Without that, you're going to have a hard time. You're going to let a lot of the turmeric go to waste, and we don't want that. We want our bodies to absorb that turmeric so we can get the benefits from it. And what were the benefits again? Again, the benefits are to boost our immune system. We want to decrease the inflammation in our body. We want to improve our digestive system, and we just want to improve our overall health. Praise Almighty God. Here we are. Now it's time to bottle our product. So we take our little funnel right there and we just fill up our shots. These are 2 ounce shot bottles, and we want to fill up as many as we can. Bam, right there. There you go. We want to grab our tops, seal that on there. There we have it, a ginger shot. I pray that you guys enjoyed this small tutorial on how to make ginger and turmeric shots and the benefits of it, and I pray that you apply it to your life. Here is what your finished product will look like. You've made quite a few bottles of turmeric and ginger shots. Well, I'm Minister Lamar Porter, and I thank you again for tuning in, and I pray that you have great health and wealth as the Lord continue to bless you as you apply His principles to your life. As always, you know that you can catch me right here on YouTube by typing in Most High God Ministries, plural, or Minister Lamar Porter, and you'll be able to follow me that way. You can also go to Facebook and type in Lamar Porter, and you'll find me right there on Facebook. You can also go to our website, which is www.mhgm.org, which stands for Most High God Ministries. Until next time, brothers and sisters, you know I love you. Always remember, get to know Jesus, and the truth will make you free.